What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and of course, hopefully you all are having a great week. It is good because tomorrow is Friday, finally the end of a busy week. But also, if you guys did not see my community post, we are working on our first issue of a Diecast newsletter. Now, I know it's a little bit of a throwback type of thing, and that's what we're going for, guys. Trying to get stuff out there, you know, give you guys some updates on Diecast, some community involvement, and of course have a collector spotlight going through each person to share their story, how they got involved with collecting Diecast, and you know, just kind of share that with everyone. So it'll be a digital newsletter. It'd be cool to get a magazine printed and do all that stuff, but that's like probably way into the future. But I'm definitely looking into doing that. More of a collector's newsletter, which there are plenty out there. But of course, it's just good to incorporate that within the community that we have over here on MHD. So with this episode, it is that time. Yet again, we have another mail call. Now, I am still in uniform. I just got out of work, so been dying to open these up, but we got one from Novadiecastman right here. He wanted to send something for the channel, and of course I flipped it on him saying I'm still gonna send you something in return. And of course the other one is from Osvaldo. I believe it's the chase from the new 55th series, the Volkswagen drag bus, or I can't remember if it's the T1 panel bus or drag bus, whichever one it is. So huge shout out to Osvaldo from Need for Diecast, and of course Novadiecastman. So let's go ahead and open this. This is not the one we use for the channel. This is the one we use for the channel. Oh yeah, there we go. A lot of people were actually asking about this, if I still had this or not. It was actually just in my truck, so let's go ahead and open up this one and see what's inside. All right, here we go. So Jeff, thank you so much for whatever's in here. I don't know what's in this box this time. I really don't. Looks like we got a letter. Dear Jason, the Mustang Hunter, you know how I like to watch collections grow. So I didn't know which one you would like when I found them, so I figured both of them would fit in just right. Dude, you definitely did not have to do that, but I greatly appreciate you. Man, both are beautiful castings, but the red Shelby is very correct. Ooh, say no more. Red Shelby. Oh my gosh. Please enjoy. Novadiecastman. P.S. Again, thank you for all you do in the community for everyone. And it is, like I always say, guys, my pleasure. The whole point of this channel and everything I do is to build the community and just make the hobby fun and exciting and just re-spark, maybe just a little bit re-spark that child within us who used to have these castings. And maybe I can inspire those older guys to go back and revisit those cars they had as a kid and maybe restart a collection. Who knows? Who knows what we can do? But of course, we just got to do it together. So again, Jeff, thank you so much for this. Ooh, let's see. Oh, man. Oh my gosh, here we go. Definitely not the GT500 I was thinking of. I was thinking more of like the modern one right there. I was like, oh man, I have one. Auto World, definitely a beauty, but oh my gosh. Check this out, guys. Dream Cruise 67 Shelby. Oh man, that is gorgeous. Love it, man. Definitely love the GT500s from 67, man. Just, I don't know, it's like the epitome of the Mustang right here. Beautiful red, of course, with the white stripes. And it's out of the Woodward Dream Cruise 25th Anniversary, Series 1. I have never seen this one, so this is definitely new for the collection. And it is just a beauty. Gosh, that is nice. Dude, thank you so much for that, man. Awesome stuff right there. All right, and let's see. Last one. Oh, man. It's out of another Greenlight series, or Greenlight release. Let's see, another Series 1. Oh man, there we go. Check that out, guys. The 68 GT Fastback. Dude, it is freaking bullet for sure. Look at that dark Highland green. Oh man, you cannot say that is not Steve McQueen's bullet right there. Dude, that is freaking nice. Man, another Dream Cruise Mustang. Man, that is beautiful. Let's see, where's my actual bullet one at? Here we go, 68 Mustang from Racing Champions. Look at that. Man, that is gorgeous. So I will say, when you put them next to each other, I'm definitely digging the wheel setup on this one because of how meaty those wheels are, and I definitely think they're more movie accurate. But dude, that is gorgeous, man. 68 Fastback. Go ahead and put that right up here. Man, that is gorgeous, dude. You were absolutely right that those would definitely fit in the collection. And like you said right here, please enjoy. Definitely will. And of course, I got to make some room. I think I have some space I can kind of shift around here. This wall is pretty much full of Mustangs, except for the Hot Wheels and Matchbox releases I saved right there. So Jeff, man, thank you so much for these. The 67 and 68 are just gorgeous. All right, so that is everything in the box. So let's go ahead and open up the one from Osvaldo. Let's see, this thing is actually sealed up pretty good. And I still have your stuff set aside, Osvaldo. I'm just waiting for tomorrow when I get the rest of my hobby fund so I can send out more packages. Man, this thing is wrapped freaking nice. There it is, Volkswagen T1 GTR. This is the chase for the 55 anniversary. And apparently that body comes off. But there's only one way to find out, guys. This is going to be opened. So let's go ahead and do that for you guys so we can all just admire it and just be stoked. Here we go. Oh man, look at that. That is nice. All right, so the top I think comes off. All right, here we go. Look at that. Dude, that is sweet, man. Look at the detail of the inside. You got the center mounted seat, steering wheel in the center. You got a turbine or some type of, yeah, it looks like a turbine on top of the motor. And that full cage mounted to the chassis. Dude, this thing is super cool. And look at this. This is almost like a carbon fiber texture to it. Super lightweight, so man, that is awesome. It almost looks 3D printed. But there you go. It has a little snap tabs right there. And it just snaps right back in. That is a really clean casting. Check that out. I wasn't even trying to score this one, but I am glad I have that, man. That is awesome. There we go, guys. 3 awesome castings from 2 awesome people right here. Jeff, thank you so much for the 67 and 68 out of Greenlight. Beautiful additions to the collection. And of course, my man Osvaldo for sending this one. I wonder how well it does down the track. Let's see. Oh, it's going. It's going. A little slow, but it's going. And it crossed the finish line. All right, so not too bad. Not too bad of a track car. It's super wide body, but there we go, guys. That is all we have for today. And of course, if you like this video, give it a huge thumbs up. Comment down below your thoughts on, of course, the beautiful Greenlight castings and the chase. Gotta let me know what your thoughts were. I think it's a really cool chase. But like I said, I wasn't really out hunting for it because they were all taken up by the local guys around here. Because once that shipper dropped at Safeway, which is pretty far from me, they posted that they found all of the chases, and yeah, there was no luck for us out here. So stay tuned for the MHD newsletter for the Diecast community. And of course, I will be posting our car show, which is supposed to be next month. It'll be the end of the month, which will be the deadline. So it'll pretty much be a June car show, but all the info will be sent out shortly. So stay tuned for all that stuff, guys. And of course, until next time, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.